bar graphs. How to draw a bar graph using the example of a rise in dough levels with different amounts of sugar. Tembela put equal amounts of dough containing yeast into each of 4 measuring cylinders. Yeast is a living organism and releases carbon dioxide when it respires. Different amounts of sugar were added to each measuring cylinder. 1 teaspoon of sugar was added to the first measuring cylinder, 2 teaspoons of sugar to the second measuring cylinder, and 3 teaspoons of sugar to the third measuring cylinder. No sugar was added to the 4th measuring cylinder. This is the control. Tembela measured the height the dough rose after 10 minutes and recorded the data in a table. We can plot this data on a bar graph. We choose a bar graph because the data is discrete and so the bars do not touch. To plot the data on a bar graph, follow these steps. Step 1. Decide the axis. As Tembela is interested in tracking the changes in the height the dough has risen, he plots the dough height in centimeters, the dependent variable, on the y-axis, and the number of teaspoons of sugar, the independent variable, for each measuring cylinder on the x-axis. The axes are labeled accordingly. Step 2. Decide the intervals. From the range of data, the scale for the x-axis is decided as 0 to 4. The data for y-axis has a range of 0 to 5 centimeters. So, the scale for y-axis is decided as 0 to 5 centimeters. Use simple scale divisions and make sure that the scale divisions are equal. Step 3. Draw the graph. Tembela plotted his results on the graph. Step 4. Provide the graph with a heading. Include the variables you are testing in the heading. Bar graph showing the rise in height of dough containing yeast with different amounts of sugar. From the graph, he could understand that the dough rose highest in the measuring cylinder that contains the most sugar.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Maski to help you. Anytime, anywhere.